Hello, my dear friends. How are you all? Hope you're all doing good. So, welcome back to my channel, Perfume Pages. It's a destination for authentic perfume reviews. So, today I'm a little bit excited because I have the subject which can be explained, which is very more informative and which is very much entertainable for all the frag heads who have learned, who have become the expert, and also who want to start their journey now in the perfumes. So, this is like a crash course type video, and it will come for nearly 20 to 21 days. Each day I'm going to post this video in the short format, and these things will come in the shorts. I'm not going to post any long format videos for this educational purpose videos. Okay, so by the end of this course, for the frag heads who are just now going to start the perfume journey, they will become from nobody to expert. And for expert, it will be, as I have told, it will be just like crash course who can educate others also. So my aim is to educate what I have learned through my passion, my compassion, and through my conviction. This is my aim, and stay tuned and please do watch this video every day. So for that I will get the motivation to post many of the videos. So without wasting time, let's start. So let's start with the simple. How does the word perfume got invented? How does it got origin? When did it got origin? The word perfume doesn't get originated straightly as the perfume only. So perfume, earlier it was called as perfumery. You have heard it right, it is called as perfumery. So perfumery means through smoke. Through smoke, usually in our Indian culture, so in our homes we do most pujas, most havans in Gruha Pravesh or marriages or whatever the function you called. So we will be doing most of the homa havans, and we will be using the fragrance, we will be using the aroma in many different formats. Usually aromas and fragrance what we use as Indians in this type of ceremonies will be in the smoke format only. From there it got cultivated as perfume, that is P-A-R-F-U-M. It is called as perfume. From there, by mid 16th century or by end 16th century, the word perfume got progressed and told as perfume. It is a proper English word, perfume, and grammatically it is noun and a verb. Okay, so this is how the word perfume got invented, and so hope I am concluding this video. So hope this is enough for episode 1 about the perfume world. In future I am going to post each day one video about the perfume, so that it will be an education regarding the perfumes and learning regarding the perfumes. So please do share this video who love frags and fragrance and perfumes and aromas. So until then, keep smiling, take care, bye bye.